Welcome to JH. Heal.net is your latest online destination for health and wellness products, specializing in herbal remedies like sprays, patches, and creams. They claim to fix everything from sinus issues to weight management, which sounds like a total dream for anyone who prefers natural vibes over actual medicine. But before you start slapping on patches to solve your life problems, we have to ask, can this site actually be trusted? Let's take a closer look together. The first major concern popped up when we checked the registration details. The domain was registered just a few days ago in late December. It's so fresh it still has that brand new scam smell, or at the very least, absolutely no track record to speak of. While being new isn't a crime, having zero history in an industry built on trust is basically the digital equivalent of buying sushi from a gas station. You might survive, but the odds aren't in your favor. Then there's the social media situation. The website proudly displays social media links, but when you click them, they lead to absolutely nowhere. Apparently, their social strategy is as alternative as their products, completely invisible. In an age where even my cat has an Instagram, a brand with zero active platforms is a massive red flag. No social presence means no engagement, no transparency, and no way to see if real customers are actually happy or just screaming into the void. Moving on to customer support, or the lack thereof. They only provide an email address as a contact option. There is no phone number and no live chat. So if your order goes missing, you're stuck waiting for an email reply that may never actually arrive. To make matters worse, the founder is a total mystery. No name, no face, and no background story. It's like the website was birthed by an anonymous algorithm in a dark basement. Most legitimate brands like to show off who's in charge, but here, the transparency is at sub-zero levels. Finally, we searched for user reviews and found a whole lot of silence. There is nothing on Trustpilot, nothing on Reddit, and not even a fake testimonial on their own site. For a shop selling miracle health products, the lack of feedback is deafening. Our final verdict? Heal.net is glowing with red flags. Between the non-existent social presence and the invisible leadership, this is a high-risk zone. Do yourself a favor and keep your wallet closed until they prove they're more than just a digital ghost. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this reality check, don't forget to like and subscribe.